What's up everybody, my name is Quint and this is my 1988 Dodge B250 camper van. I bought original spec. The interior had the bed on the right side as you came in, 3-burner cooktop on the right, sink, storage all along the left with the fridge. In the back there was a bathroom, shower, toilet, a little bit more storage along the right hand side there. The interior was just not up to date with how I wanted it to be. So I decided to gut the entire thing and rebuild it all. We did it all in 2 weeks, and this is exactly how we did it.
You sure about that? You sure about that?
14 days, rebuild, no experience. Let's do it. My main focus for today is to get this back door open so that we can start stripping everything out of here. Oh my god, it just went up. Oh! Oh! Ahoy! How much water's in there? Well, it's out. Short power line, I think. Yeah. Which I don't plan on using. Goodness.
That's handy.
That curtain's coming out of there too. There we go. On your side. Nice. Look at that. Food. What the helly? Chamomile. Thirsty? There's little feet on the bottom. Oh yeah, you're not getting that out. Face piece might come out. Yeah! Oh yeah! Oh no. Just yank it through the hole. Is that tightening?
No, that should be loosening. Oh wait, you might be tightening, yeah. There you go, yeah.
Not moving anymore.
Yeah. leave it for a sec. Oh my gosh, you're not even halfway.
Really?
Yeah.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
I just remembered I have an impact gun and I took it off in like 2 seconds. And here, CC and I are struggling to use wrenches and it just blew it off. Yeah, it'll be easier. Oh, dude, come on. Dang. Getting roomier in here. Oh, look at that. Gotta get some more done. Demo day 2. A lot of this, all this stuff's coming out today. Get it done.
Got a little trigger happy here with the sawzall and made my first big mistake, which was cutting right through the water line of the hot water tank and having it empty out completely onto my van floor. Didn't know whether to grab more paper towels, plug it, move the batteries. I don't know. I was having a full-blown mental breakdown. But we got it plugged up with a screwdriver and some wire tape.
If you just saw me panicking, it's because I was. I cut the water line to the hot water tank. Didn't realize it was full and just basically flooded the whole van. So super. Oh, such an idiot sometimes. Oh, sometimes you learn things the hard way. Well, got her pretty emptied out here. Not much left to do on deconstruction. We're just working on this hot water tank, which has been a real pain. But we're basically just sawing it off and then letting the water leak out of it. Oh yeah. Well, I hope you guys have enjoyed episode 1 of the teardown. It's pretty well done now. It's just waiting on the fans to come in on Friday. Get the 2 fans replaced, rip all the rest of this stuff out. I don't know what you call it. Cloth. A lot of sweat, a little bit of blood. No tears though. We're in great spirits about the whole teardown. And once we take the propane tank out of the bottom, the fans out, the poop box out, then yeah, we're pretty well ready to go. Re-insulate, rewire, start the framework, and then we make it pretty. Yeah, a little nerve-wracking, but you kind of just start doing it and then it's really not all that bad. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this episode as much as I've enjoyed ripping this whole thing apart. hit that like, hit that sub, and I'll see you guys in a week. Peace. Cut.
Hello everyone. Hello everyone. And what's up everybody? This is what's up everybody? And it kind of had, I decided to gut but this is me rebuilding this this van here. What the fuck am I even saying?